On this video, I'm going to show you how to make chicken McNuggets at home that taste just like the chicken McNuggets you get from McDonald's. We're using chicken breast, so we need to bump up the flavor of the chicken. We're going to do that by adding 4 bouillon cubes into 4 cups of cold water. Next, we're going to cut our chicken breast into nugget-sized pieces. Then we're going to put it into the brine water and let it sit in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. But if you wanted to, you could leave it in there for 24 hours. For the breading, we're going to use a self-rising flour. Now, the reason we use a self-rising flour is that it has a leavening agent in it. And as the chicken nuggets cook, it's going to create carbon dioxide bubbles, which is going to produce that texture just like McDonald's chicken nuggets. After making about 20 batches of chicken McNuggets for this video, I discovered that Lawry's chicken and poultry rub have almost all the ingredients we need to make chicken McNuggets at home. The last ingredient we need to add is a little bit of cornmeal, because that also helps with the texture of our chicken McNuggets. Next, all we need to do is put the lid on our container and shake everything up. We're going to use this inexpensive fryer. It's under 45 bucks because it heats the oil quickly and helps maintain the oil temperature that we need. We're going to use peanut oil because you can get it very hot before it begins to smoke. Plus, I think it has the best flavor. And by the way, McDonald's does not use peanut oil. For our egg wash, we're going to use 4 eggs and 1/2 cup of half and half because we want it to be nice and sticky. Next, we're going to coat the chicken with the breading. Now, the breading is a 3-step process, and you definitely do not want to skip one of the steps. The first thing we're going to do when we take the chicken out of the brine is to dry it off. We want to get it as dry as possible. Then we're going to put it into our flour mixture, not into the egg wash yet. I like to use sealed containers because it helps keep my hands clean. We're going to use a basket and a bowl. We'll use the basket to catch the chicken, and we'll use the bowl to catch the breading. Next, we're going to drop the chicken into the egg wash, stir it around a little bit. Then we're going to use this spider to catch the chicken and another bowl to catch the egg wash. It's a good idea to use a paper towel to wipe the excess egg wash off the bottom of the spider before you dump the chicken back in the flour mixture. Once again, we're going to shake it up. Then we're going to use the basket and the bowl again to separate the chicken from the breading. This next step is very important. You definitely don't want to skip it. Once you shake off the excess breading from the chicken, spread it out on a wire rack and let it sit for about 10 minutes. It'll get tacky, and that will be to our advantage. After 10 minutes, put the chicken back in the flour mixture, but do not put it back in the egg wash. Then you can shake it up and separate it again. Then you want to lay it out on a wire rack and get it ready to go into the hot oil. The oil needs to be at least 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and if you can maintain that temperature, you only need to keep your chicken in the oil for exactly 2 minutes. You should use some kind of kitchen timer. There you go, folks, chicken McNuggets at home. If you happen to make this recipe, come on back and let everyone know how your chicken nuggets turned out. If you think I did a good job on this video, a thumbs up would certainly be appreciated. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.